different devices through my mobile app. So each and every devices are controlled through relay only. So our room light voltage. So these three devices are contain more different consist of more different voltage levels. That is for room light it can take around 230 volt, and for room fan, that is I took a miniature level of that room fan. That is a DC fan only I took. So the power consumption for this, voltage consumption for this fan is 9 volt. Similarly, water pump, that is also miniature level. So I took 9 volt water pump for this project. Okay, right. So now for this, I need to develop a Blynk app login. So through the Blynk app console only, I'm going to implement this project. Okay. So for that, we need to generate a login in this link. So which is shown in the PPT. So the link is https blink.cloud. In that, in this link only you have to log in. So just click the button. So it will redirect to a login page. You will get some my template, blueprint, blink.app, and the webhooks, right? So in this you have to choose my template and create new template. So you'll get some pop-up window like this. So just to name your project, that is home automation. The hardware used for this project is Raspberry Pi 4. So choose Raspberry Pi, and this Raspberry Pi is connected through Wi-Fi. Okay, so can give any description for your reference. So I'm going to control home apply. So home devices. Okay, so just to click the button, done. Now your template is created, and then you need to configure the template. So first click the button, configure it. Okay, so already we have done it. So just next you have to click the button data stream. So in the data stream, you can find out new data stream, right? So just to click it, you will get some pop-up. That is in that pop-up in that pop-up, you have to select virtual pin. So again, you will get one more pop-up window. So that is virtual pin data stream. So in this, I'm going to control room light. Yes. So pin number is P0 and data type is integer. Leave it as it is. Create a pin. Data stream. So in this project, I'm going to control three different devices. So you need to add one more virtual pin. So which is room fan. Yes, room fan. So create it. And one more is I'm going to control with water pump. So it will automatically generate the pin. That is initially the pin number is start with P0, and second for a second device it automatically created a V1. Similarly, for a third device, it automatically generated V2, right? So leave as it is. Our three devices are configured with the pins, that is V0, V1, V2. So next I need to create a web dashboard. In this dashboard only, I'm going to implement switches. Okay, so which is user interface. So I need to create three switches. So switch 1, switch 2, and switch 3. So next I need to configure this switch by clicking the gear wheel. So just to click the gear wheel, you can get some pop-up window for this switch. So the first switch is meant for room light. So and the data stream choose for this room light is P0. So just to choose it. So can play with this show on off labels, hide widget labels. So after that, so the switch will be viewed like this. Okay, room light. The pin number is P0. Okay. Similarly, it will be displayed. So if you enable show on off labels means you can label any form. That is, if it is for on, can create anything that is light on. So that will be displayed in the on label instead of just on button on. Okay. So just to leave as it is, I save it. So similarly, I need to configure other two switches also. So next switch is meant for room fan, and the data stream is V1. Yes, that will be displayed in a blue color. Can also change the color. So by clicking this button, can also change the color of that button switches. Okay, just to save it. And then next I need to configure one more thing, that is water pump. Yes, so data stream V2. Yes, so the color I'll choose it as a green. Yeah, just to save it. Okay. Now web dashboard is created. So through this button only I'm going to control that household devices. Okay. Yes. After that, after completing these steps, you need to just click the button save. So your entire program is entire web app is saved here. Okay. So we configure the templates and we also set up the data stream, and also we were created a web dashboard. So the last step is we need to add the first device. So just click the button first device, and you'll find some name, that is home automation. Yes, just to create and click the button created. Your home automation project is developed, and it will create some token for this. So you need to copy this for future purpose. Future purpose means we are going to use this token for integrating this Blynk app to our Raspberry Pi board. Okay. Right. So just to save it in Notepad. So now first project is created, right? That device name is home automation. Device name is home automation, and the status of that device is offline. So hereafter only we have to on the processor. So wait for it. So you can also add one more data stream by clicking edit button, and also you can also alter this buttons, web dashboard buttons. Go to devices button. So you'll get some authentication token. That token you have to save it in your notepad for future purpose. Till this we were created our web dashboard. Next, we need to create a mobile app. So for that, we need to download Blynk IoT. So it will be like this. So Blynk IoT. So I download it and installed in my mobile. So same as you have to install that in your mobile. My mobile, right? So in the same mobile app, in the Blynk IoT, I log in with the same username and password, which is used for creating web app. Okay. So if I creating properly means your project will be displayed in your home page. That is home automations. Just click it. Okay. Right. Click this banner button. You will get some developer. So in that you need to click the plus button. So here I need to use three different buttons. Button 1, and one more time I need to add button 2, and one more time I need to add button 3. I got three different buttons. So with the different places, I can rearrange the buttons by long press the button. So first I long press the right side button, and long press it, and then just drag it. Simply and place it anywhere in your mobile. Okay. Similarly, I'm also do same thing for three buttons. Okay, right. Can also rearrange the shape of this button. So just to press long press that button, you will get some four side corner. So just to press and drag it, you'll get some oval shape. Similarly, you can also do the same thing for your second button too. Now I created the button for my projects, right? Next, I need to configure these buttons. So for that, I need to click this buttons simply, just single click. Yes, you will get some another window. That is in that window you need to choose the data stream. So first button meant for room light, and in the setting you can find out that you can see the two modes, that is push mode and switch mode. So here I choose switch mode. If I choose push button mean while pressing the button, the output device will be enabled. Otherwise, the output device will be switched off. To permanently switch on the device, we need to choose switch mode. Okay. Even can also design the button. It is in the you can choose the light or dark mode, and you also need to name the button, that is room light, so central alignment. So you can also label that off light, on light label, and also you can vary the size of that button. You can also choose the color of that button. So here I choose a red color for light. Click the cross button, which is in the left top corner. Your first button will be configured. So similarly, you need to configure the second button. So for second button, I choose a room fan, and the switch mode is, mode of the button is switch, and the design you need to enter the title, that is room fan, yes, central alignment, and the color is blue. To that, click cross button. So next I need to configure the third button, that is water pump, and mode is switch. Again, same thing. Here I configured the three buttons. Next, I need to create a program for this, right? So these are the setups which is made for this project. So this is a room fan, which is controlled, connected to Raspberry Pi through the relay one. Room light, which is operated in 230 volt, which is connected to Raspberry Pi board through the relay. Next one is water pump, so which is connected to the Raspberry Pi through this drill. So here I use three different relay for three different devices. So here the light is connected to 230 volt power supply, and these DC motors, this submersible DC motor and DC fan will be connected to two different sources, that is 9 volt battery 1 and 9 volt battery 2. Okay. Now I execute this program, so you can see that is the Raspberry Pi is connected to new Blynk. Yes. Now I'm going to control these three devices through my mobile app. So this is my mobile app. So I'm going to switch on the room light. Can control the room light by using my mobile app. Similarly, I can also control my fan. Yes. Through my mobile app. So here I switch off the fan to the mobile app. So once again I on the fan. Yes. Now I'm going to switch on my water pump. Yes. Yes. Now I switch off the motor. Once again I switch on the water pump. Yeah. Now I simultaneously switch on all the device. Already. Yes. Now the room light is on, and I switch on the fan, and I switch on the water pump. Yes. Yes. Now I switch off the